Hello viewers, you are highly welcome, and let's see how we are going to solve for the value of x. What is the value of x here, right? So now what we are going to do here is that I would like you to stay focused and see we are given the square root of 6 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 4 plus x. So now here we want to know the value of x. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. We are going to square the both sides. If we square the both sides, you can see that the square will cancel out this here. That is, we're going to have, so if I square this side like this, so this squaring this, we're going to be left with 6 plus 4 plus x, and this is going to be 9. Are you getting it now? So now from there, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to transpose this. We're going to remove 6 from both sides. So removing 6 from both sides, what are you going to have? So we are going to have root 6 plus root 4 plus x equals, so this remain what? 3 here. So the same thing we are going to do, we square again, squaring again, so we're going to have 6 plus 4 plus x equals, this will still give us 9. Are you following? So what did I do? I subtract 6 from both sides. So what do I have left? I have root 4 plus x equals 9 minus 6. We have what? We have 3. So what am I going to do again? I will still have to square. I square this. This square we cancel the square root. We're going to have 4 plus x equals 9. So now from there, what do? We have going to transpose this 4 to the other side. So I'm going to be having x equals 9 minus 4. X is going to be 5. So we have this solution to be what? Solution to be 5. Are you getting it now? So quickly, let's see how we're going to do. So if you want to check whether what we have is right or not, so let's bring out we have 6 plus 4 plus x. We want to know whether it's going to give us 3, right? So now from there, we got our x to be 5. So now let's replace x to be 5 here. If x is 5 here, you can see that coming from here, we are going to have 4 plus 5, you have root 9, right? Then 6 plus, then we have 6 plus. So now here, root 9 is 3. You have 3 plus 6, then square root of 6 plus. Are you getting it? So now 6 plus 3, that's going to be 9 again. We have square root of 9 plus 6. Okay, so now we are going to have the square root of this is what? Is 9. Is the square root of 9 is 3. You have 3 plus 6. Then we are going to have 9 again. So you can see that root 9 is same thing as what? Same thing as 3 here. So which is the solution? Okay, so therefore x equals 5 is the main solution to this problem. So if you find the class very interesting, so do not hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime, any moment I upload a new content. Bye bye.